What we said we were going to do, we have done, and we're going to continue to do that. We are going to continue to grow our customers. We're going to continue to produce positive EBITDA. We are going to continue to grow Delivra Health Brands.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Gord Davey. He is the CEO of Delivra Health Brands. And Gord, good to see you again. How are you?
Good to see you, Steve. I'm doing great.
Good to have you along, and excited to share your year end and your quarter results as well, ending on June 30th. And Gord, we'll get into the numbers themselves in just a second because they are quite strong. We'll do that in a second. But I think it's important to talk about the work that's been done over the last 2, 3, 4 years to get you to this particular point where you're starting to see these continual strong numbers.
Yeah, Steve, I think that's a really good point to really understand where we have come from as a company. And it really does, what it's going to do is it will set us up for what the future has in store for us. And, just 3.5 years ago, 4 years ago, our company was losing $15 million a year. Our margins were at 9%. Our customer base was falling. Our innovation was slowing down. We made a commitment to the marketplace that we were going to put a strategic review in place, and that's what we have done. We said that we were going to get our finances back in order, which we have done. We said we were going to increase our customer base, which we have done. We said we'd get our margins back in the right zone to be successful, and that's what we've done. So I think it's a matter of the continuous improvement that Delivra Health Brands has brought to the market, and that's going to set us up to where we're going to go in the future, Steve. So thanks for asking at the beginning, because I think that's really important to understand that.
Yeah. So now we get into the numbers themselves. The company seeing a 26% increase in net revenue, very positive. Why don't you talk about the numbers that you're most happy with? That one just kind of jumps off the page.
That is, when you can come on and talk about positive numbers, that's a great thing, but it's how we get to those numbers. So yes, a plus 26 in revenue, which is really important because that means that our bottom line is increasing. But what also is important is that our gross profit has gone up. So our margins have actually increased up to 52% from 49%. So that means not only are we growing our product base, but we're also doing it profitably. And our adjusted EBITDA is also increased. We have increased our EBITDA by over 68% year over year, which is huge for a company like us. And what that also does is it puts us in a positive cash flow situation so that we are now very self-sustaining as a company. And all of those things are really important for the future of Delivra Health Brands.
And Gord, you and I have talked over the last couple of months about sort of what the future holds for the company and things that you're putting in place and orders that are coming in and markets that you're going into and areas that you're looking to increase the yield for the company. So it sounds like there's a lot more of this positivity really moving forward.
Well, I think that the past lets us see what the opportunity is for the future, and that's where Delivra Health Brands is right now. We are growing our customer base. We are investing into marketing and awareness programs. We are increasing our innovation. We are in a now position that we can look at expanding to other brands and other services within our company. And then we are really focused on staying very rigorous in our financial responsibility. And all of those things moving forward sets us up for a very, very strong future for Delivra Health Brands.
Yeah. And lastly, Gord, what do you want to say to those long-term shareholders that have been with the company and seeing sort of what you're seeing now to, as you talked about earlier, where the company really has come from?
Well, that's it. That's exactly what it is. There is positive growth in Delivra Health Brands. What we said we were going to do, we have done, and we're going to continue to do that. We are going to continue to grow our customers. We're going to continue to produce positive EBITDA. We are going to continue to grow Delivra Health Brands in a very positive and profitable way. And we know that there's much, much more to come for Delivra Health Brands.
All right, we'll leave it there. Gord, thanks so much. Congratulations on the numbers and good to see you again.
Yeah, thank you, Steve. Appreciate it. Have a great day.
Yeah, you as well. There's Gord Davey, the CEO of Delivra Health Brands.